You might be wondering what NFTs are, right? So let us simplify it for you today.
A digital artwork by a relatively unknown American artist known as Beeple has sold at Christie's for nearly $70 million.
NFT sales surged in the third quarter of 2021, totaling 79,000 crores.
We are now going to talk about Big B's NFT, which has broken all records. It's sold for a whopping 7.18 crore.
Yeah, Baidu is coming up with NFTs. So NFT is the talk of the town now. In this all-hara-kiri, you might ask what the heck it is really? So, the full form of NFT is non-fungible token. Fungible means interchangeable or exchangeable. The hard cash is fungible. If you give someone a 100 rupee note and let's say he returns it in a day, he gives you a different 100 rupee note. Not necessarily the same note. But it doesn't matter as long as it is original. Right? This is fungibility. We can interchange. But NFTs, as the name says, are non-fungible. So, there is only one NFT of a kind in the world and you cannot exchange it with some other NFT. Just like your home or your car. If you give your car to your friend and he returns some other car to you, is that acceptable? Never. So, that is non-fungibility. You cannot exchange these things like cash. Now, let us understand NFT with a simple example. Suppose you visit an art museum. You really like one masterpiece and wish to buy it. After you buy that artwork, the artist will give you a certificate to say that this art is original, and the museum will give a receipt of your purchase. So you can claim both originality and your ownership of the artwork. Let's apply the same logic in a digital setting. You are surfing through a digital art gallery filled with digital paintings and artwork. You like one of the digital arts and buy it. But in the digital world, nothing is safe, as anyone can easily duplicate and share it with everyone. In this situation, how can you claim your ownership of the digital artwork? This is one of the reasons for NFTs becoming the buzzword in the recent months. So, how can NFTs prove your ownership, and what's the tech behind it? Similar to getting a certificate and receipt for a physical artwork, you can now get a unique digital token. This unique digital token has your ownership details, which is stored securely on a blockchain. Blockchain is a technology which is a super safe way of storing information. No one can tamper with it and alter the details. By using the blockchain technology, these unique non-fungible tokens are created and assigned to a particular owner. There can be multiple copies, but you have the original one and have an NFT to prove it. NFTs are not limited to artworks. Any digital asset can be made as an NFT. Be it a video, GIF, image, a movie script, and even your brain, turned into an AI. So just any digital asset can be made as an NFT. Now you might be wondering, how to make your own NFT. Right? To create an NFT, you need these things. 1. A crypto wallet. To store cryptocurrencies. There are many wallet providers out there like MetaMask, Coinbase and Binance. Number 2, you need some cryptocurrencies. Usually a lot of them use Ether by Ethereum. You can convert dollars or rupees into cryptocurrencies. Number 3, an account on NFT service sites like OpenSea or Rarible. Number 4, choose a blockchain like Ethereum or Solana. Number 5, follow the instruction on those sites and you will be able to upload your file like a GIF, an image or a video. And finally, you have your own NFT. So, this is how you can make, buy and sell NFTs. But before you do any of these, learn as much as possible about NFTs, the risks, the technology, the trading practices, and most importantly, how your money can be invested safely. Because that's a hard-earned money. Knowing more about it is the key, before you jump on the NFT bandwagon. This was our attempt at making you understand the world of NFT. Hit like if you have found it valuable, and subscribe for more videos where we simplify complex concepts.